This silky smooth steamed egg is as tender as pudding. Add a little salt to 4 eggs, then whisk with warm water in a 1 to 1.5 ratio. Use the lighter to pop all the bubbles on top. Cover and steam over medium heat for 10 minutes. Drizzle with soy sauce and oil, then add green onions. Simple, delicious, and loved by everyone. I tried the viral pineapple ribs, and they're amazing. Tender, fall off the bone with sweet, fruity flavor. Marinate 600 grams ribs with soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce for 15 minutes. Layer 450 grams pineapple in a pressure cooker. Add ribs, green onion, ginger, spices, and rock sugar. Pressure cook on low for 12 minutes. Then reduce the sauce on high heat. Sprinkle with sesame seeds, so delicious and easy to make. Pan goes in some shredded cheese, make a dent, crack an egg in, top with a slice of toast, low heat until cheese melts, press the edges to seal, flip when golden brown, fry the other side. Quick cheesy breakfast that's seriously addictive. Give it a go! This fried noodle is so good. Boil water, cook noodles for 2 to 3 minutes, rinse with cold water and drain. Toss with oil and dark soy sauce. Scramble eggs and set aside. Stir-fry garlic and green onion. Add carrots and bell peppers. Add noodles and eggs. Season with soy sauce, oyster sauce, and chicken powder. Stir well and serve. Simple and delicious. Give it a try. Heat oil. Add marinated beef. Stir-fry until browned, then set aside. Stir-fry onion and red bell pepper briefly. Season with a little pinch of salt. Stir-fry evenly, add beef back. Stir well and serve. Simple and delicious. Give it a go. Simple stir-fried chicken recipe. Start with boneless chicken thighs. Add rice wine, ginger, salt, and white pepper. Then mix in cornstarch. Stir well. Drizzle a little oil and marinate for 15 minutes. Heat some oil in a pan. Add the chicken and fry until golden brown. Pour off the excess oil. Then add white scallions and red pepper. Stir until fragrant. Add a little light soy sauce. Stir everything evenly and finish with a sprinkle of scallion greens. It's so delicious. Give it a go. Quick breakfast, stir-fried udon, simple and delicious. Heat oil in a pan. Add 2 eggs, scramble quickly until set, then set aside. Stir-fry minced garlic and chili until fragrant. Add shredded cabbage and bean sprouts. Stir-fry for 30 seconds. Add a little salt. Stir well. Add udon noodles, then light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Return the eggs to the pan. Stir-fry over high heat until well combined. Serve and enjoy.